welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for Guyanese mango sour. This is a popular dipping sauce. We usually would use it with a lot of different snacks. To get started, here I have 2 large half-ripe mangoes. I don't like to use the super green ones when I'm making sour, but feel free to use those if you like. I also have some garlic, chili peppers. I'll be using cumin, turmeric, black pepper, sugar, and salt. Let's jump right in. In a medium-sized saucepan, I did add about 5 cups of water. Now I will add all the rest of the ingredients, mix well, and allow it to boil until the mangoes are nice and tender. Once the mangoes are nice and tender, I will go ahead using my hand blender to blend them into a nice smooth consistency. I'm using the blender because it's super quick and easy, but feel free to use whatever you have on hand. Once they're nice and smooth, we'll taste it, make sure it suits our liking, and that's it. It's so simple and easy to make, and it goes with a lot of different things. If you're a Guyanese, you know what I'm talking about. Now I will plate this up and show you guys the finished product. And here you have it, my version of mango sour. Now I like to bottle it off in these jars so I can save it for like a few weeks or a month or so, and whenever I want to eat my snacks I would whip it out and just enjoy. Today I did enjoy this with some black and white pudding, and it was absolutely divine. You can check the description box for the recipe for that. I really do hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoy my video, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.